And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. And it is your Friday weekly close wrap up on Bitcoin. Want to give you a little shout out. Any veterans out there, happy Memorial Day. Everybody enjoy your weekend. I know everybody's going to be taking a peek at Bitcoin on their iPhone or on their Android, whatever app they're using. But I did want to bring our attention to the daily close here. Some very important things going on. And we're going to close here in about 4 minutes. That is going to be 5 p.m. Pacific time. CMEs have already closed. And what am I looking at right now is that we are about to take out the candle low, not the wick. We're actually taking out the low of the body of the candle. Typically, that is a bearish sign. This is a bearish continuation candle. However, we've been getting a lot of these kind of fake outs where, you know, Bitcoin kind of just does the opposite. But if I had to call it, looks more likely than not to be heading towards the downside. More continuation, right? Lower highs and lower lows. And the next stop being here at about 26.7. What else do I see? Momentum is crossing to the downside and volatility is expanding from a very low level. And again, move will be in progress as soon as this guy gets above 20 percentile. That typically is going to be enough to do it. You know, some would say that's even enough to do it. So as volatility expands, we expect price to go in the direction of the trend. In this case, this is to the downside. And don't think we're ready to completely break down here. If I do think we will get a bounce at some point, but you know, price action is going to be kind of up and down and sideways over the weekend. A little bit crazy. You can't really trust the retailers over the weekend. What are they going to do in Japan and China? There goes the phone. And so just wrapping up, what did I see here on the CMEs here? We had this kind of strange candle close out the week here. Oops, sorry, that's the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly close because CMEs weekly would have already closed. And what did we get here? So that's a bearish continuation candle and we are closing below the bottom side Trailing band. So trend is in motion and yeah, it looks like next target is going to be to fill in this wick sometime next week. That would be my guess. And, you know, even if this wasn't a weekly chart, if this was just a hourly or a 4-hour chart, you know, same thing. This is all pointed down. Let the trend be your friend till the end of the trend. That's it. So maybe, you know, maybe I will be putting in some limit orders to play out a bounce over the weekend. Other than that, that's all I got for the Bitcoin Friday wrap up, the weekly wrap up. That's it. Take care. Have a blessed weekend and happy Memorial Day.